Hi there, today we're unboxing a handheld gaming console. So this particular console has 168 classic retro games on there. Details are in the description below for anyone thinking of purchasing. So let's have a quick look around the packaging. Comes in a small little box, nicely packaged. Some details on the different controls on the device. And that's it. Let's mention the 3-inch super wide LCD. Let's open it up, see what you get in the packaging. Okay, the actual console itself. Get a user manual. Not sure what this is, all in Chinese mostly. Again, another card like that. Looks like a quality control card. Charging cable and an S-video cable. Okay, so I've laid out all the items you get in the packaging, so let's quickly show you the cables. So this is the charging cable, reasonable length on there, quality seems okay. Nothing too chunky or anything, just a standard cable. Okay, that's that. Then we've got the actual S-video cable. So this plugs into the device and this would go into your TV. So this is an interesting concept here. So you can actually plug this directly into a TV and play it off that, as long as it supports S-video in. So the yellow is normally the video signal and the red would be sound. So I guess it's not stereo. So no biggie. So the actual console itself, quite nice, a small design to it, quite compact, very light, not hefty at all in terms of weight. And let's quickly give you a size. So 11.5 tall, the width is 7.5 and the depth is around 2 centimeters. Okay, so let me give you a close-up of it. So obviously you've got the controller there, additional buttons. If I come round, you've got volume there. You can adjust that. You've got a lid here that holds a battery that gets charged. You can pull that out so it's serviceable if you wanted to. Guess if you have a look online and look for that particular model, you'll probably be able to get a replacement if you need one, which is good. Didn't expect it to be openable. Let's turn it around so you can see the writing on there. It's a TV input, so that's for the S-video. You got DC 5 volts, so that's for charging it, and obviously on and off. Okay, if I come round, and there is nothing else. Okay, so no headphone jack either, just to know. Okay, so let's turn it on and give it a go. Okay, so initially you're presented with this, so English, Chinese and start. So you can flip between the languages and then click start. So selection of games here, all retro games. If I go down, there's loads. Let's just hold on to it. Pretty cool, quite a large selection there. And let's go back up to the top. It's pretty cool for a budget mini console. Keys don't feel too bad either. So let's pick Super Mario Brothers. Start the game, select that, start again. Okay. Playability feels good. And if I click here, that resets it, takes you back to the start screen. Click the next one. Let's pick Tetris. Yeah, seems pretty good. Okay, so I'm at my TV here. At the side, I've got some S-Video connection points. Handheld gaming console is here. I'm gonna take the cable. One end goes into the console, and that's this end. Plug that in, picture goes out. And on the actual console itself, if I plug the red into that, you can hear the audio now coming out the TV and the yellow for the video. And now let me reposition the camera so you can see what's on the TV. Okay, so this is a 42-inch plasma Panasonic TV, and that's the quality of picture you're going to get on it. So just to show, let's jump into a game. Let's pick Super Mario Brothers again. So cool, it's got the sound on there as well. So not too bad. Graphics wise, for a retro game, nothing to be surprised about. So yeah, works well. The fact, for such a small device, you can connect it directly into your TV. Okay, so you've seen the unboxing of this handheld gaming console. 168 classic retro games on this. Graphics wise, you're getting retro games here. So nothing too amazing with that. Game playability, you're getting those classics. So if you enjoy them, this is ideal. Build wise, it's good, no issues there or concerns. And with the extra feature of being able to plug it into a TV that supports S-Video, ideal. So there you go. Details in the description below for anyone thinking of purchasing. Thanks for viewing, and don't forget to like and subscribe.